Alright, how's it going, guys? So now it's a beautiful Texas day. It's finally summer. I just finished my last final on Tuesday, and now it's getting back to the garage. So, I have some explaining to do when it comes to the Miata. Last time I talked to you guys, I think I was talking about wanting to sell the Miata. So I posted on Craigslist, I posted on Facebook. Never really had anyone come look at it. I had a few bites, and then I had an epiphany. I was like, you know, with the amount of money I put into this car, it's already set up for drifting now. Now it's got a hydro, it's got knuckles, it's got everything I'll need. Why sell it and try to get into another project that I won't be able to drive for a while? Instead, why not put the money into this car and make it more fun to drive and make it enjoyable to me? I'm going to be putting a regular exhaust on it, so I'm going to make a downpipe. Once it's going, the exhaust is under the car, I got myself a new hood. That way I can replace it and then not have the giant hole in my hood. But additionally to that, I got a D-Max hood vent. So instead of riveting that on, we're actually going to mold it to the hood using fiberglass and then Bondo to like kind of smooth it out. And then we're going to end up replacing my fender that's all screwed up in the front. And we're just going to make it more legit. And then on top of that, we're going to plastic up the whole car white. And then we're going to do this little theme that I've always wanted to do. But you'll see when we get there what it's going to be. So today, my whole plan is just to get the exhaust going underneath the car. And that's the main goal. So if I get that done, I'm golden. However, if I have more time to do other things, I will. So let's get started. Oh yes, and I forgot to mention that I got some wheels. They're 15 by 8s. They're actually the same brand we have on the RX-7. This MST kind of knockoff. But these ones are supposed to look like the Roto-Grids. So they're 15 by 8, 0 offset. And then I'm going to wrap the 205/50 R15s on them that I had on the old front tires on my car. I think they're going to look pretty sick, especially when the car is white. Kyle kind of came out here now. What do you
think?
I think it's going to look... It looks good with the black, I'm not going to lie. It'll look all murdered out, but I think it'll look better when it's... Don't mind that. Yeah, we're going to ignore that it's made in China. Alright guys, so far this is what's happened. I have taken off my hood exit, and then here's the hood exit. As you can see, the flange isn't on here anymore. So here's my flange. I took it off, I sawed it off with the Sawzall, and then I kind of tried to smooth it out as best I could, taking off all the old welds. Because we're going to take this downpipe that I bought quite a little bit ago. I was trying to put the T28 back on the Miata, and then I got this downpipe to make it go, you know, the exhaust go into the car like it should. But as you can see, this flange is for a T28 like off of a Nissan 5-bolt, whereas I have a T25 off of a Volvo. So, oh wait, a Saab. So I'm gonna take this flange and put it on here. We're gonna chop this one off. As you can see, where I got our smooth as hell line. Look at that. Look how straight that is. So we're gonna take that off, weld this on. And we're going to see if this fits on the car. And then I have a mid-pipe that connects to the downpipe. And then hopefully that will solve my exhaust issues, instead of having to make a whole new exhaust system.
It's going to be a lot easier, that's for sure.
If it works.
Well, it's either that or we melt a giant hole in it. So we'll see.
Yeah. He's going to try welding this one because he's got more experience.
Yeah, I still suck though. So don't get it wrong.
Yeah.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, come on. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay together, not that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing.
Well, I fucked up, so now we're going to use a Sawzall and do it right.
So we're going to try this one more time. guys, so if you can tell here, this is not a perfect circle because we cut it in one of the corners.
Ooh, my bad.
Left. And so it's basically, it doesn't fit perfectly round, and it didn't fit, there wasn't enough space to get the nut on there, so we're gonna have to add an extension. But because it's not perfectly round, I had to take a hammer to this shit and get it to bend out so that we can fill it as best as possible. And now it fits a little bit better. So we're gonna cut this, and that's gonna give us the space we need to get the nut on there and get that piece on there. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna cut this and then hopefully weld it and not screw it up. So let's do it.
Alright, so this man right here is about to attempt something I haven't seen him do before.
Yeah.
Gonna weld stainless steel to regular steel. And, yeah, so there's a gap that needs to be filled here and up here. But down here it's actually pretty tight. So we're doing this to help make room for that bolt, but...
And I am not a professional. Don't take my advice. Just enjoy my shitty-ass welds because, yeah, I'm doing this with a flux core welder. So I'm almost 100% certain this isn't right, but we're going to do it anyway.
As long as it works.
Let's do it. Oh, shit. See, I told you guys I wasn't a professional. Forgot to put my clamp on. Okay, let's try that again.
I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Okay, that's at least a good first little tack, I think. This stupid trigger's sticking. Yeah, because that's safe. Look at that. Look at this crap. That is some bullshit. There we go. Let that cool down a bit and go back to it. Alright guys, so if you're wondering why it's so dark, it's because we're going to check to see if there's any holes or anything that I missed on these. Don't mind my super dookie welds because they're really dookie. Like, literally looks like diarrhea. But we're going to see if this works. So the way that this works is I'm going to plug this in, and Austin's going to shine a light through here, and if we see any light through here, we'll know we got holes. So that's the plan. So let's do it.
What a mad lad.
But you're going to take a light like this, and then as you shine it, see how you see the light?
Uh-huh.
That's how you can find if there's any spots that you missed. And it looks like I've only got like two.
Yep.
I got that one there, and then this one over here. So,
yep.
Hell yeah, so I'll go fix this. Check out these Dookey welds. Alright guys, so we got this thing on here, and we got the other pipe that's going to go in here, and the reason I got the nuts here is so when we go to put the pipe, we can know exactly where we want it, and we're going to tack it on here. The only thing that's kind of an issue is this stupid pipe down here. Kind of gets in the way, but it's going to just barely clear it. So we're going to make sure that we get that cleared up and put this pipe on there. So
This pipe.
yeah, so far so good.
Right here.
But we're going to get it.
Yeah.
So now he's under there trying to work this pipe up and having some technical difficulties.
I'll need you to help. Yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're going to go under here, we're going to tack this sucker up, and hopefully not screw it up, so wish us luck. Okay, you can let go, it's probably not going to go anywhere now. We should be good guys, we should be good. Alright guys, so we pulled it out, I got this like just barely tacked on here, and it's holding up. So now I'm just going to go finish these welds up, and then we're going to go put it on the car, and it should be pretty much good to go. So we'll have an actual downpipe instead of a hood exit with our little ghetto, what is it, a Saab? It's a Saab.
Saab turbo.
We got a Saab turbo. So if you happen to use our Saab turbo trick, you may end up having to do something like this. Or, you know, you could just get a T28 that actually fits. But,
Like a,
you know,
from a Nissan.
yeah, you know, you might have to pay a little extra, but this was our ghetto, super cheap, semi-legit way to do it. So, let me finish this up.
You're good. You're good. I'm just... Okay.
Make sure you don't go blind. You're the only one that needs his eyesight. I didn't need a light though, I can't see this shit. Oh my god.
Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so.
It's only half Dookey.
That's a lot better. Alright guys, so we didn't get to finish the exhaust today. We still have to weld an O2 bung onto it and get a new O2 sensor because mine, the threads on it are terrible. It's been cross-threaded or it got too hot, I don't know. But I need a new one, that's the bottom line. If I go to AutoZone, it'd be like 80 bucks. And I can get one on Amazon and in GK for 30. So I'm just gonna order one on Amazon. Then we're gonna finish welding on that O2 bung tomorrow or another day. We gotta do more exterior kind of things. Right now I actually just finished bolting on this new hood that doesn't have a giant hole stuck in it. And we're just like lining it up, making sure it fits right. That way that we can get one more step closer to finishing up the car. But I used to have a problem with my hood, like as you can see over here, contacting with the headlight and causing it to like make a god-awful noise when you open and close it. But the hood was also bent because the car's been in a couple accidents while racing. So, just trying to make it look pretty. Hopefully this helps. We kind of lined it up. We're going to see if it fits now without contacting. Oh my god.
Look at that.
It's super tight over here still.
Is it?
We could probably go a little more towards your way.
Okay, well we can fix that.
But still.
Not bad. Not bad. Hey, not bad for
Getting
one
close.
whole day.
Yeah, oh, also we spent, by the way, on the fender that I got and this hood, 150 bucks. So, I can't complain.
That's not bad at all.
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.